you. We like to mix up traditions because Sicily was such an amalgam of cultures. So even though we have some of these traditional instruments today, and you're hearing a lot of traditional songs, melodies and lyrics, sometimes we like to shake it up. And we're going to add an instrument today that's not from Sicily, it's actually from India. It's an ektar.
Homemade version.
But it's a homemade version. Michael made it for us. It mimics, this song traditionally would be accompanied by a maranzano, the mouth organ. So this mimics the sound of a maranzano, but it's a sweeter sound because it's a very passionate song. Well, amore, amore, it's about a love at a distance. And the woman sings with anger and jealousy, and she says, how far away you are, and I want to know who's making your bed tonight. Amore, amore.